let's do it again, no? Okay. Alright.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. I would like to thank Gabby first for being able to help us to give me my parents.
Saya tapi doma dan suwi kwa, itu wajah ini. Itu lo, dah le lu dia pakai lagi sih kesana kemampu awak. Satu le wadi, tapi dama. Tu le tak buat sini. Masalah apa? Le saya syukri.
Hello. Ini behar seram Seepoe. Upper Aceh, kasih Seepoe je. Seram Seepoe Aceh. Len. Seepoe, hey. Lepas tu mula. Hello. Hello, Trado. Ya cuci. Sakura ibu kau pemana? Dan ni bakda cik tak lama. Kasih beli cukup ya. Dapat. Ya cuci. Hello, ya cuci. Tra, ya cuci. Trado, ya cuci. Let's check it out. Hello, Rama. Rame. Let's behave. Hello. Rame Seepoe. Have there. Tahu kita tahu.
Kau dah kai jai lah, dengan. Opsi dah punya lah. Awak ni mungkin ni tiga puan ni di dalam ni. Malah ke pasir lah, jadi. Okay. Tak pergi dari situ kan? Okay. Alright.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Okay,
I just want to thank everybody for coming out today and to celebrate with our ribbon opening ceremony. So we truly appreciate everyone, whether it's from my side or from Seepoe's side. So today I'm going to speak on my side and appreciate everyone that's on my side, and she'll speak her part. First of all, I want to thank everyone that's here in Jennings. I would like to thank Gabby first for being able to help us with location. She was the main person that pretty much helped us, took care of us until the very end. So Gabby, thank you so much.
Absolutely. So excited for you guys.
Thank you. Aside from that, in my life, there's so many people that came through that had supported me, whether it's my teacher, counselor, advisor, college mentor. So I want to give a shout out to Ms. Behrens. She's the person that has taught me English that's why I'm able to communicate with you guys today. So thank you, Ms. Behrens, for being one of my main persons in front of my life. And then when I have Miss Deanna right here, she's over there. I just want to thank her. She's the person that supported me through high school and helped me with a full right to go to university. So she's
Made my, aunt, uncle, and my other family understand as well. I saw you see Luba, Padrama, Coede, the Niai, the head of a Kuzakoro well, the Niai, the Pata or Pata, they would have been carrying the Niama, the Silva, the Silva, you see where you did, you hair, you move the head of your the Southern. So you are that sure for ya, you have a young away, Luria, you would away them or not, the Muda Suyan. So that you still are the Puma, exactly the same last day, Lucia Mona, with that I used to live you suppose the Pamona, the Nia in the Hemona, head of that global Union Superman, there's a rather color to hair, look at that. So I would like to thank you to my uncle. I came here in the United States without my parents, but sorry, I got emotional. So I thank you for taking care of me. I came here without my parents. Sorry, guys. It's been a long journey for me. When I came to visit people already, and of course. English is my third language also. Kind of tough. But God really made me to where I am today. I think God has given me the vision, to be better in life. I know we cannot choose where we came from in life, but we can choose our future and make our future better. I would like to thank my coworker. For coming and joining me today. We've been working together at OCAS for a few years. Thank you so much for coming today, and also all my friends that showed up today. Thank you Tanner and Christina. Sometimes I share the struggle with you guys. So thank you for being there for me. And I would like to thank Miss Kay for coming. I know when I first came to America and I started working with her, volunteer in school, and she's here with me, and thank you so much. And Ms. Lena, she's been a part of my life. She taught me in high school. Thank you so much for coming today. Thank you. And we lastly, I think we have food, so we can stay inside and enjoy the food.
Of this ribbon cutting ceremony, and we thank God for everything that He has done in our brother and sister's life, especially this space, the way that they decorated. It's beautiful, and first of all, I would like to say congratulations for your new business. Now, you are Mata Ado. This was it. In that part, I think you came out in Baka, we have a bit of Sakita and Kerala, that in the Yagi side of Sugiwala. It's a blessing. So I would like to pray for the opening prayer. You can give a Tiwala and Tiba or not. Pausayal, Tapu Doma and the Sugiwala in the Yai, that never done. No, the kind of Toti, Logosaya Sugitiri.
Whatever been cutting the Niai, the Sivan Sirumala to Kini, the Children of Hair, no? that to the parlor the egg of Madini aware we don't know that kind of a say the Baba Bada because I are OT Lipoli math Ura the Patak Lake the say aware Buddha of a port and more than a road that to the parlor selling the plate from partnership of Puni with that the rabbi to Padilla or not having visited or you have patience with each other, you know. Okay, or that because not or that you go like here to move on.
Okay, pada mas pada pekerja mana cakap orang pada siapa yang kena hela kita cuma apa je, no, itu dia yang ini, okay, no, boleh pastinya dia kena pada kerja ni. No, kerja ni. So this is the owner, the boss. So yeah, thank you very much. We need to pray for this business. We need to give this to the hands of God. Tapi dia orang saya sibuk ni benar orang saya nak ikut pada dalam business ni. Kenapa ni? Tapi kalau masuk budi dalam jenis, dia ada bagaimana? Tapi ambil dalam kuasa mereka. Nak ni sometimes take risk. Nak ni tasik ni. Tadi lagi ni saya udah bilang. Begini lah, ada saya sibuk dah. Bagai dia, berkeraki bagai batu. Terus kami ini, bagai kita tahu research sebab kita tahu potensi apa angkat tahu balau ni. Mau juga mereka dalam betul. So we would like to give a time for Pastor to bless this business, to bless everyone who involved in this business. So and after that we will have a special song to bless this place. And after that, the second, another pastor will pray for them. Okay, let's do that.
Sibu ni lah, orang kaya dah para lagi saya sibu, so kita malah ini ke lada cuma nyampe beli sesuatu, uplero, ta otak to, ta kemugama, ta terlihat belah, ta hutan belah kela kesih, dan saya so kita mata kota, kita lo tanah perlo ta, dan saya so kita pakai ta dia po, wah leh orang cô ra để họ tạo cái quy cái tạo là mà bên này cái đó tạo là quy bé tạo là hít tạo sự clear tạo là hít ta làm mi lúc mà cô ra để được sao giờ ta số cái lần thứ ba bây giờ bà bây giờ ta mà cái sao phải đi cái mua rồi mà là cái bộ sao giờ ba số cái được cái đó ta số cái chú bà cái cho ba cho ta giờ cái lừa cái bà ta số cái ta mà lo gì mà hết nữa ba số cái hàng rồi ba cái số cái dan bahagia berdoa lillah hal kasih saya berdoa saya tasawuf saya merkuah om saya kuah kue tahu tak kasih ni bersibina Allah Allah lek saya sibuk berdoa makmurah korade lek saya syukri minat приносить saya
Amin.
Saya kita pitama Allah tadi saya kia lujar ini seluruh doa kita pasti kau behead mình qua ước giả lơ mà lần trời lơ ba triệu cả đó và từ quỷ nhá đó bé thi vào mình ta ước giả lơ cái đó sẽ có ta xử lý và ước giả lơ là bao nhiêu sai đó suy nghĩ được và điều là bé hết đó như cho được cô ta mà lần trời mà lần cô ta mà lần trời sai đó kalau mình lại hết ini kebasu dibuka dan dicoba balahan itu pasti kebasu ini balah atau kebasu ini kalau ini ada mawet muda lah bila segala apa bersuwi tamalot doyai kuda kena amal tu ada awet di ambil kama tu kuda batega kuda dupo tabat treki kaya ko loi lobo you ada betul you ada si kalau ada awet lo apa cakap kudinya dalam awet awan lo ayah jatuh reklik kelen benar lagi saya dalam balau bahasa aku dah mesti benar lo hilang alaki kamalot doi kelen sunnah berdua pergi well nisi kita ke benar lagi balau bahasa saya dah terjadi kalau saya saya syukur hati sosi alaki kamalot doi kelen benar po ya kira sih benar lo krim lo ayah
Amin.
Oh, you are a maker.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All that was going through my head.
Yeah, I try to be more engaged on
Okay, we gotta pray before we eat. And we thank God for this beautiful business, for this business. Maya things that the doctor so we people of the with us salad claro. Sayo tapi doma dan suwi kwa itu wajah ibu head malang kawana. Di tadi bawa kriti itu dulu. Saya suwi mata lopi. Dot lewa orang tak kalau lagi you are like go la tapi tak boleh tak suwi gora. Dok ke hewan awo. Dok suwi bawa puluh kia tak tu dapat kalau lagi you are gila tak kude. Yogi olata sugi itu ba masalah bagi siapa pala pada tidak pala serta okore tetapi tu masuk le awak di taleke leke sih bisa gila tak tamu tanda pala tak ada masalah bagi awak di usi kalau tak tidak tahu lah begini okey begini yang diba dah sudah berada kau ada masalah bagi sugi awak di talua le tapi dah mahu le nopun tak tahu kalau saya orang orang dikhe lagi sikit le pun ada masalah bagi pasti nak segala bala tu apa buat kalau aku mana lah awak di pak sekolah akhir ini mau saya syukur dulu dah pagi saya ada itu dah sesuai dah rela mulu jua atas tak kutamu dah jua atas sugi tu dah lu dia pakai lagi sikit saya kemampu awak satu le awak di tapi dah mah letak buat sini masalah apa dan saya syukur mi asusu berkali. Amin. Amin.